Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I am Mirza Adisham Beg, your quant educator, and today I am going to discuss something very important from your GA section. Look at this. Securitization and reconstruction of financial asset and reinforcement of Security Interest Act 2002. Basically, इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? SURFACE. Okay? SURFACE Act. It will be called as SURFACE Act in short. So what is SURFACE Act and where does it implies? I will teach you each and everything in this video. So keep watching this video and you'll be getting a knowledge of each and every topics of your GA, whether we are talking about GA, whether we are talking about maths or reasoning. You will be getting the knowledge according to the situation. So let's move on and let's see what the topic says. Look, read out. Securities, or you can say SURFACE Act, is an Indian law. It allows banks and other financial institutions to auction residential or commercial properties of defaulters. Let's say that you took a loan and you haven't paid. All right, you didn't pay. All right, then what will the bank do? Bank will apply SURFACE Act on you and acquired the right to what? Auction your property. The same property you have put in the bank to took the loan. All right, to recover loan. Look at this. That means it is an Indian law. It allows banks and other financial institutions. So other financial institutions and banks have got the opportunity through SURFACE Act to auction the property of defaulters to recover the loan. Okay, that's the first part. The first asset reconstruction company, ARC of India, ARCIL, was set up under this act. Okay, so the first asset reconstruction company has been set up under this act. Remember that. Under this act, secured creditors, banks or financial institutions, have many right to enforce of security interest under the section 13 of SURFACE Act. So under this act, bank have the leverage to auction your property through this act. Okay, if borrower of financial assistance makes any default in repayment of loan, as I have told you earlier, or any installment, and his account is classified as non-performing asset, that's NPA. It is very, very trending in the current scenario because we have seen lots of banks are showing their NPA. As we have seen some of the names, you know that Vijay Mallya and Nirav Modi, these are the high level NPA. Okay, they took large amount of loans and they haven't paid yet. All right, so their amount, or you can say the debt, has become NPA for banks. His account is classified as non-performing asset by secured creditor. So secured creditor is what? Any financial institution or a bank. Then secured creditor may require before expiry of period of limitation by a written notice. So secured creditor may require these things. All right, so it can apply SURFACE Act on a particular defaulter if he or she, or you can say it, cannot be able to pay the debt. The law does not apply to unsecured loans below 2 lakh, or where remaining debt is below 20% of the original principal. So the condition says that if your loan is below 2 lakh, or where remaining debt, let's say that you took 1 lakh, all right, and your remaining debt has been 15,000, then bank will not be able to apply this SURFACE Act on you. Okay, so it will not be able to apply. Now this law allowed the creation of asset reconstruction companies and allowed banks to sell their non-performing assets to ARCs. Okay, so banks have been allowed to sell the property if they have not paid the debt. Banks are allowed to take possession of the collateral property and sell it without the permission of the court. So through this act, bank have the authority to sell it without the permission of the court. If the defaulter, or you can say if their account has been NPA, has been declared NPA. Okay, the act was amended by Enforcement of Security Interest and Recovery of Debts Law Miscellaneous Provision Amendment Bill 2016. Okay, so here is then act passed by Lok Sabha on 2nd of August. Okay, 2nd of August 2016. Act passed by Rajya Sabha by voice vote on 10th of August 2016. So this law this law is very important, and it gives an edge for banks to use this law to recover its loan. All right, so I hope you have understood the meaning of SARFAESI Act and what is the ARC, asset reconstruction companies. All right, so that's it from my side, guys. I hope you have liked this session. If you like it, share, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, and keep watching Entry. Till then, thank you.